Politricks watch. This is Serpi. Now, today I'm going to be talking about an incident that took place in 2016. This is one of the most bare-faced attacks the 87s have carried out. It's examples like this for sure, you say. When time the man them want to settle their differences, them no business which part them there, and them no business who they run them. In 2016, while the then opposition leader, Andrew Boldest, was in the middle of a speech, 87 from flankers decided say they were going to shoot it out. We're going to talk about it. And at the start about it, I'm going to show you some video clips of the exact moment, when time the speech are going, political rally are going, shot them start fire. And I'm going to also briefly touch upon, the moments after the shooting start, and you see Boldest and the security detail leave the podium. Some very interesting things happen in the whole madness. But all of this started from an incident in 2015 where a DJ by the name of Merital lost his life. That right there, so is the spark, or one of the spark them, that led to this now infamous moment. Before we go into the video, I want to send a special Patreon birthday shout out to not just one, but two people today. One of them adult, one of them is a child. The first one is Jay. He look like say half a Patreon named Jay. I don't know why the name is so common, but I make sure put the RS from the email just so that Jay know who me attack. And plus, of course, he knows it's his birthday. So Jay, big up yourself. I know say you tune in. Thanks to the continued support. Live long and prosper. The second person is a baby. Second person is a special baby. A father of a real Patreon squad. I'm talking about none other than Payton. Now, I know say people memory short, but surely you don't forget the tragic circumstances where Jody and Ferran lost their life. When the Big C, the brand new, them time everybody afraid of it. That time everybody had the utmost respect for the Big C, to the point where even people from the medical fields don't want to go near nobody with them suspect of Big C. Jody and Ferran lost their life, but their child survived. That was like yesterday. Time really a fly, because that's the baby on the screen right now. That's the Payton. 2 years old. Can you believe it's been 2 years since that went down? So Payton probably don't even understand where you're here right now. But you're a special child, and the whole movement did a root for you when time you're born, and we still a root for you. So big up yourself, little princess. Hope you have a great day. You know your father Kent, and I'm gonna make sure say, you enjoy it to the fullest. So big up Payton and big up Jay. We can move into the video. So the utility on your screen right now, I'm calling him Merital. He's a part of the group Merital family. You might know them for songs such as My Money Haha, or you might know him for the song Let Us Pray. Plus they also have a dancing song, because Merital was also attached to the whole dancing movement. The first time I started hear about Merital, it was really them dancing song. So Merital lose him life by the Treasure Hunt Casino in Mobile. I'm looking at the picture and there is at least 3 rounds in his head. So Merital come from a part of flanker then called the Rebel Side. He was killed by a youth called Javin Campbell. We call him Javinci. He was from the Sparta side of flanker. And this beef, as is often the case with Mobile Man thing, involve a number of entertainers. As you can see on your screen, them I mention say Javin Campbell was linked to a well-known dancer entertainer. In case you're wondering how we trying to attack, or one of the jail now, the one of the water lick down with you. When this go down with Merital, it was Rebel Man them, and Sparta Man them having a dispute. So Javin Campbell ended up catch Merital over by Treasure Hunt Casino. As you can imagine, people immediately start say there's going to be retaliation, because the Rebel Man them I say them now make them artists dead like that. So fast forward 2016. Andrew Holness, who was then at the time the leader of the opposition, was having a big rally in Amobie, Sharp Square. So you know, say everybody out. Every man, right, and them favorite house pet was at that rally. Rebel and Sparta, even though they were enemies, right, the community where they come from is aligned to the JLP. It's a JLP stronghold. So the two stem on them gone a rally. Two stem on them buck up in each other. Javin, who was already, right, a target, because not just the core Merital incident, but he's a well-known 87, right, had a number of victims attached to his name. Enough people want to hold him, and by this point, even him and some of the Sparta man them fall out. Right, so it was a very spooky situation, but you know 87s already, them things say, them are Iron Man. Right, so him gone a political rally. I don't know if I saw him love politics, but him in a Sam Sharp Square, in the middle of everything. A youth named Nicholas Irving end up killing him. At one point, he was actually taunting, right, the youth, and I say him a cokehead because them used to have said he was a cokehead and his behavior is also erratic. Right, so Javin did it, right, attack the youth, words are exchanged, things escalate fast, and Irving kill Javin Campbell. As soon as Irving kill Campbell, somebody kill Irving. You can't make this up. Just like in a movie. One kill one and the next man kill the other. The moment when the shot them start go off was actually caught on camera. I'm going to play a clip. This is from the Gleaner. Right, you're going to check it out on them channel. So this is a small clip. I think it's called Shooting at JLP Rally. Right. But here you're going to see the exact moments while Andrew Holness was delivering his speech, the shot them start go off. Check this out.
Labor rights. Labor rights. We don't know what is happening. Just take it easy.
So when time I tell you that this shooting incident was very brazen, if you understand why. This is a massive political rally. Andrew Holness down there. All of the JLP them down there. Police down there like dirt. And the man them still never business. By the way, the reaction to this shooting is so slow. If I had something right targeted towards Holness, it may have some serious problem because him security detail right, was so slow. Well, I don't know if I true them confidential because I know the 87s now run certain joke with politicians. In time I now watch foreign politicians, I want to see any kind of incident go on. I want to see them security detail run on and run down with them in a 1 second. Everybody just casually stroll off the stage like, don't worry, take your time. 87s now run a joke with me. Right, them only have strength to poor people. Desmond McKenzie take over. I try to calm down the crowd. All thing left for Desmond McKenzie says Irie man. Labor rights, Irie man. Right. But I want to show you something. I wonder how much I want to spot it. Something happened in this clip where this is the most Jamaican thing I've ever seen. Pay close attention to the female, right, who is about to get a better look because things are going, shut a fire, people want to see what happen. Look what she do, right? Just tell me if this is not the most Jamaican thing you've ever seen, right? Take a good look on her. That right there, so, right? Sum up Jamaican politics to me. So, you want to see something, right? An incident is going down, and you have your darkers on your head. You have your shades on your head. Remember, at night. It's night time in Mobile. Shooting are going, and you want to see what going on. Sistering, take the glasses off her head, and put it on her face. Sistering put on her darkers, you see what going on in the dark. That's the most Jamaican thing I've ever seen. Right. That's the most Jamaican political thing I've ever seen. Let me get a better look. Right, something that going on over this in the dark, and I can't really see. Let me put on the dark glasses. Welcome to Jamaica. Irie man. No problem, man. So, people couldn't believe. And who could have do this? Right. Who could have launched political attack? But it wasn't a political attack. It was 87s setting their disputes. Police everywhere. Witnesses everywhere. They don't care. When the smoke cleared, it wasn't just Javin Campbell who dead first, and Irving who killed Javin Campbell. Man, dead. Innocent people pick up shot. I've seen various figures, but the highest I see is 8, the lowest I see is 4. Because as you can imagine, shots start fly all over the place. Them the business say, them in a political rally. Then the business say, thousands of innocent people left on the scene. Then the business say, the opposition leader, the party with them support, they there. Then the business, but no police, the business, but no JDF, be a shot start fire. When you see how somebody have a dead back culture work. When you see how the retaliation culture work. You might just step on the scene at a political rally supporting your favorite party. Stand up there because you might be a big fan of Boldest, or you might be on PNP rally because you're a big fan of KlLLING. And next thing you hear, shots start fire. At first you might think to yourself, this must be clappers because nobody now come through the rally. Then next thing you know, you feel like your hand and your foot them start burning you. You get gunshot. Just like that, people lose them life. Just like that, people pick up rounds. Welcome to Jamaica. It can strike at any moment. And even then people think say them comfortable because this is what happened. Many Jamaicans think, oh well, nothing I got them right there so. Right. Too much police there right there so. See some JDF down the road, nothing I got them right there so. Nothing I go so. They meeting a business. Make people from West Kingston telling them, right? Make people from Central Kingston a certain place telling them, right? How close the man them kill people to the checkpoint them, to the police them, to the JDF them. The man in the business. Especially them feel like say they won't get another opportunity. Right? If you get them target, they might just take it. Right? And who get caught up tonight, well, that's your problem. Think about the risk of shooting somebody in Sam Sharp Square in the middle of a political rally. The odds of getting away are very slim, and in this instance, he didn't get away. Because it's not even like say, Irving get catch and lock up, right? Which would have been very possible considering how close the police them was to him, but him literally dash a film life too. So clearly, Andrew Holness went on to win, right, and become the Prime Minister of Jamaica. He's currently the Prime Minister. When this incident went down, Dr. Horace Strang was making some statements saying, him know some of the people them because them in him constituency. So, them see firsthand how brazen criminals are. Andrew Holness see with him own 2 eyes in the middle of his speech, the man them start the shooting. Dr. Horace Strang say people from Feme constituency in the middle of a rally where Feme party are keep, right, start fire be shot. Them know say the man them bare face. They are the ones who are now tasked, right, with supposedly reducing the crime rate. So far, the numbers don't look too good. So far, it's nothing to write home about. But we hear say by June, certain things are going to change in a mobile. We hear say certain laws are come out and we keep a close eye on it. Just in case enough people never understand this whole incident, no one have a better idea as to what went down. This was all for retaliation to Merital. Them kill the youth, kill Merital, and you kill Merital dead same time. But let's keep a close eye on the politicians on the stage. Don't just get caught up in the whole Merital retaliation thing. Just look how comfortable the politicians are on that podium. shot and fire all over the place. Them know say everything airy. Them know say no shot now come towards them. Them know say no boy no bad so. And them know say if somebody did bad so, by the following morning, you'd hear about him in the news. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, stay circling. Blessed.